ఐస్ క్రీమ్ బాగుంటాయి. ఐస్ క్రీమ్లు మనకు కొనుక్కొని బాగుంటాయి.
So let's share my screen. And so yesterday, Word to Vec, one of the implementations we have seen, we downloaded. Yeah, I forgot the thing, man. What else is there? Stop words, training text. I think that's all. Where's this file? Which folder is this? Users happy, I guess. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, so let's we've got bought this word stop words and training text of this what this guy has created. This is from Ratvik Math. He has a YouTube video he has done on the word to vec embedding. So I'm just running his notebook to understand the word to vec embedding better. And this is trying out word to vec skipgram with negative sampling, which is the optimized version of word to vec. The initial is only skipgram, where a word is given, we predict the context. But negative sampling is an optimization that people have done on top of it. And so let's see how it works. But not sure how far the inputs are. Outputs are printed here, but we'll try to understand more by debugging it more. Okay, so let's read the stop words. I loaded these libraries, TQDM, SciPy, Matplotlib, and stuff. Everything is available now. So I bought in stop words. Let's debug somewhere so that okay. And then let's bring in the text. This is good. Let's also look at stop words once. Search above. So these are all picked up as stop words. So he's removing stop words. So if W not in stop words, then only he's counting under text. So if you see in this code, oh, it's like case sensitive. Is it? I still hear yeah ourselves. Me is also here. Oh, print text is like this, and if you see print text afterwards, this I, me, myself, and all that should be gone. So text. See, we will be is gone. Today learning fundamentals. It's only picking up the. So removing this stop words like about the off and all that, it's removing, and then it's setting up the remaining text. This is the text that is being considered for training. I am has become. And what we're gonna do is with the window size, we'll pick up one word and then predict the remaining words in the context. That's how we are gonna train it. Okay, so this is the text that is being used, and so window size is 3. Number of negative samples is equal to 3. So when he says window size 3, I'm assuming when a single word is given, so we are trying to predict 3 words. Three words in its context, and also we are having negative samples 3. So there are 6 words that are in the output, and we predict on what is the whether it is in context or not in context. That's how we gonna train. Available data, trade overall words. So let's add debugs everywhere to see what is going and what is spamming out. Okay, print idx comma center underscore word, and so if you run this, so I have text here, man. Okay, let's do this. So these are the words. Let's see how they are, in which order they're being picked up. So he's going with fundamentals first. In 0th level. So okay, so if his window size is 3, that means fundamentals and the context that we need to predict is is today learning data science. These two should be predicted related to fundamentals. So he is picking up fundamentals, and then next word he picks up is data statistics. So let's look at fundamentals, data science, statistics. Okay, he's skipping the first 2, and from there he's going. The rest of the words are being picked up. I think let me see. Means from 2 0 1 2 colon -3. That's the text that he's picking up. Okay, because the first 2 words and the last 2 words will not have the context to words, so he's skipping them. Makes sense. So he's just iterating through the whole words. Okay, so now next iterate over the context words around the center word. Okay, now he's picking up context words. So if you look at context, what is context words? Print center underscore word, comma. Okay, let's go with, let's start using fman. F is very effective. Effective. IDX hyphen center underscore word, and maybe context underscore words. So for each word, he is picking up context words, and then for a given context words, he is iterating through each of the context word, and he is append get words not in the current context as negative samplings. But, so we run this. So as we discussed, so if we go to fundamentals, today learning, data science are the context, right? For data, the context will be learning fundamental science statistics. For data, learning fundamentals and science. Okay, so this is aligning with whatever we have learned in the embedding, right? And post that for instead of doing this, let's go with let's define a method called debug, and let's add one above, above, below. Okay, so debug is on now. Data append. He's what he's doing, center underscore word, that is fundamentals, let's say, comma context underscore word, that is today, comma 1. So all the words that are there in context, he's adding them as 1. So it will be fundamentals today 1, fundamentals learning 1, fundamentals data 1, fundamental science 1. And he's getting negative samples. So negative samples, if you look at it, W means if you take these all words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the text, the word which are not there in these 5 words, any word, if you pick them up, you can consider them as this thing. In the random choice, he's saying number of negative samples is 3. So we are adding, for each word we are adding 3 samples. Okay, samples data dot type and center dot word comma 0. Okay, so let's now then to be repeated data is append, right? So let's debug data at the end. That's enough. Debug, that'll be huge, no? So because he's doing negative samples for each of these words, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So these are the words he has used as negative samples for today learning data science. They are added. So it'll become 4 3 is 12 plus 4 16. But all of them are being added to data. So this is all one set, is it? Okay. Now data is ready. Um, label data is equal to data is equal to data. Okay, here's prepared it. Words is equal to np dot intersect 1d dot context underscore word comma df dot center underscore word. df center underscore word context and word is in words. Words is nothing but I think it is intersection between center words and context words. If there is a word which is there in center word and the context word both, if the both okay, if the both words are the same, then he's dropping them. For example, if you do I think for these what would have happened is if you look here for these words somewhere. Top 10 somewhere alternative is there. So if you go here, statistics growing fields alternative, yeah, here alternative. These words will not have another context word, but why is alternative dropped? Do you think alternative is repeated? Oh, like data alternative. So df dot center underscore word is in words. So it's let's say context underscore word and center underscore word if they're set of words. an intersection between these two is taken. So these are all the words which are common between context underscore word and center underscore word. There will be a lot of commons. Why only few came? That's okay. And so given so if you debug before and debug I can actually see 983 and 982. Only one got eliminated. Oh, maybe his point is intersection between this word and this word is for a given row, if both are same, that's where he's going. Okay, anybody is here? No. These two words are same, then he's picking it up. But if there are that many, that means there should be a word in the list which is alternative, time. And so, for example, if you pick up pi dot interaction, yeah. Equal to, let's say, time. Mm, Okay, 1 second. What is that you're using that I didn't see? Pandas data frame itself, right? Data frame, pandas data frame, right? Search a column by value. Oh, the df off and into. Okay, fine. Doesn't make sense, but let's use that. So Let's see if there is time. There's no time. Then how is it coming in intersect of two columns? Okay. And we will find the intersection of two arrays, return the sorted unit. And both of them input arrays. So, oh yeah, let's try this. And center underscore word, context underscore word. All the words will be repeated, no? $33. Of words, and this is length of what? Length of text. 67. Only 33 are common. In between context words and center words. Why is that? Because if center word is moving from each step, first to 4, if you eliminate, 63 will be there. 63 are in between. If the window is moving from top to bottom, when you go to the next words, for example, fundamentals will get data, data will get fundamentals, right? All the words will have. So that's how it is here also. If you see, fundamentals has data. Now next data will have fundamentals. So this fundamentals should be there, intersection. Will be there. Let's pick something which is not in words. Yeah. Let's pick something which is not. For example, thanks, listening, talk. Oh, unique words. Okay. So unique words. We should see count of. This is just an array, right? Array. Yeah. By it's in the first case. It's not pandas. Unique words and list of words. Set if you convert to set, but that works on Using loops am I? The last words which are there, those will be there. Um, mhm. Again, code. Today is the only word which is different. Today is not there here. Huh? Today, because today is in the starting, most probably. Yeah, today is the first word. And today is not repeated anywhere. So that's the reason today is different. Okay. Got it. Cool. So this is nothing but the unique words. Okay, cool. You're good. So now coming here, what is okay, let's print this, then we'll understand. $983, that means it has everything. What is reset underscore index of drop method? What does it mean? Then I can use the default one instead. 156. But there is no difference, no? We said the index will drop is equal to 2. What does that mean now? Yeah, I think we are out of time. We'll continue tomorrow. If we have the Python pandas here to point to. That's the problem. It's not working. Okay. Anyways, yeah, what is that? Reset index context are a level of it. Index of the data frame and use the default one instead. If the data frame has a multi-index or more levels, why will data frame has multi-index? I don't drop a phone in the do not try to insert index into data frame. Only remove the given levels from the index. Column level, column fill. Okay. What is the index in previous data? Oh, I get it. Get it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I get it. Okay. So we have the